Hi there. I'm going to show you today how to measure what we call in the trade the PZ centre. Don't know where the term PZ came from, but we live with it, so must you. The distance for the PZ centre is from the centre of the square where the handle goes through to the centre, and this is important, of the circle, not the centre of the barrel. It's the centre of the circle where the key goes in. Now there are a number of different dimensions that are used in the trade. 48, 60, 72, 92 and 95 and 117. The one that catches people out the most is between the 92 and the 95. So it's critical that you get the measurement accurate. So we usually take the handle off and measure when the handle's off. But in this instance, I'll just show you the dimension. So we're working from the centre of the handle down to the centre of the circle. This one is a 92 millimetre. Thank you.